Are you writing JIGL exam in the upcoming exams? If yes, and if you are finding some problems in JIGL, this video will help you. So we are coming out with a wonderful book for JIGL. Yes, a complete textbook. We got lot of requests from students saying that the JIGL video classes are very good, but still we have to go back to ICSI study material. ICSI study material is comprehensive, it is wonderful. In fact, even at Excel Academy, we use the ICSI study material to do our video classes. And that is the reason why at Excel Academy, Soumya ma'am and me have come out with a book that is Jurisprudence, Interpretation and General Laws, which is going to be a very simple language. Simple English sentences have been used. Concepts have been cleared in a very easy manner. Charts have been used wherever required. Mock test is given. So this way your preparation will be perfect with JIGL video classes of Excel Academy and the book. Of course, if you want just the book, you can still enroll and get the book, and this is going to be a soft copy book. So we don't have a hard copy book as yet. As of now, we have a soft copy book. You can just enroll for the book and you'll get it in the description below. You can watch it on Excel Academy app or Excel Academy website. So please remember, whenever you're referring the book, you will need to either download the book or you'll be on the Excel Academy website. You cannot download it as a PDF and use it elsewhere. This is a very clear thing which we need to tell you. You can use it in such a way that if you are in the Excel Academy app, even if you don't have the internet, you can use it. But you should use it on the app itself, because the book has been prepared with lot of effort and we don't want people to simply forward it without respecting the time of the authors. And to make you understand how we have written the book, I had a discussion with Soumya ma'am how we wrote the book and what are all the points in the book. So we will go and understand what is there in the book.
Hello students, hope you are all staying safe and healthy. And first thing, I want to say something about myself. So ever since I started my professional career as a student and now as a teacher, I always admired theory subjects and I have had a charm towards theory subjects. So after I started to teach, especially this jurisprudence subject, I felt that I have to author a book or I have to give a study material to the students, which is easier for them to understand by using simple points. Like if you refer like ICSI material, it will be little more lengthier. So the paragraphs what they use, it will be lengthier. So I always wanted to give a study material to the students, which is easy for them to understand by using simple yet professional language, and also by using simple charts which makes the legal concepts to understand in a simplified manner.
Yeah, so Soumya, like you were telling about how we should have a simplified book, and that is why we at Excel Academy made sure that we do this on a simple language. Yes. So that everyone understands. So students always want to know what are the important features of the book which we have come out with, because they think that if it is another ICSI book, why should I take that book? So if you can tell us all the features that we added, it will be helpful for students.
Yeah. So first thing is this easy to understand? The language what we have used is very simple to understand, yet we are maintaining the professional language that the ICSI expects from the students during the exam. And also we have used so many charts, that is diagram presentation, for explaining the concepts which are little complicated. Not only complicated chapters or complicated topics, but also the topics which involve a lot of subpoints, which is difficult for you to grasp during last minute revision. So for those things, we have used charts form of presentation. That is also very easy for you to refer and also remember and revise. So, and one more thing, another advantage of referring this book is you can complete the syllabus maximum within 10 days. Even if you start from the scratch, you can complete the syllabus within 10 days. So it gives you a sufficient time to revise also, because if you refer any material, the jurisprudence contains 17 chapters. So number of chapters are more. And if you give only one round reading or one round preparation, it is not sufficient, because by the time you study first chapter and you come to 17th chapter, tend to forget the first and second chapter. So that is why we have concentrated and we have authored the book which you can complete within 10 days and which gives you ample amount of time to revise also. So revision is very, very important. So if without revising, if you start and study the day before the exam, like for last minute revision, it will be very difficult for you to remember the points which you have already studied a month before or 2 months before. So now also from now you have 2 months time. Now also I can assure you at least twice or thrice you can revise the subject, and the subject takes maximum 10 days to complete, even if you start from the scratch. So that is the advantage.
Exactly. Exactly. So because many students feel that JIGL is something only for LLB students and they find it
Correct.
difficult. So what I want to tell every student who's watching this is, if you are feeling JIGL is difficult and you're writing your exam in June 2021 or December 2021, whenever it is,
Correct.
because in tax we don't we have concepts like amendments. So in JIGL it is very few. Of course we do have amendments, but
Correct.
nothing which is foreseen in the near future. So all the amendments have been covered in the
Correct.
study material. So
Correct.
can you just tell us the arbitration amendments which you have covered? Because that every student is asking, is that covered?
Everything we have covered. Everything we have referred the institute material, and we have referred the institute websites for all the amendments, and we have incorporated everything in our book. You need not worry about the amendments. If you refer this book, that is more than sufficient for your examination preparation.
Exactly. So especially students, like many of you have taken our Excel Academy video classes, and you said the video classes are good. We have short question and answers, but still we need a good study material. That is why Soumya ma'am and Excel Academy together have come out with this study material, and this will really help you to do well. And like Soumya ma'am just told, even 10 days is sufficient. Let us say I'm very slow, sir. Okay, let us take 15 days also. 15 days is also nothing when compared to studying a big fat book for ICSI, which will really take a long time for you to study. So next question which students will always have is that, how should they use this book? What is the best way to use this book? How will they get the maximum benefit with this book? What is your tips about that?
Okay, first I would say, as it takes only 10 days to complete the whole syllabus, whole 17 chapters, you can complete within 10 days. So I have always used CRLM approach. So with this book, you can use this approach. First one is C, that is coverage of the entire study material, which we can do within 10 days. If you refer this book, you can do it within 10 days. So the coverage that is done. And R is revision. So you have to revise. Just reading once is not sufficient, because by the time you write the exam, you tend to forget. So revision is very, very important. So you have to revise. First, you have to cover this entire study material. That is whatever we at Excel Academy we are providing. And then you have to revise it. So revising might take you 7 to 8 days maximum, because first round reading from the scratch itself takes 10 days, means revision would take 7 to 8 days maximum. So you have to revise. That is the next point. Next is L. So L is last minute revision. So you have to, when you are revising, that is, I'm not telling for the first round of preparation, when you are studying for the second round of preparation, or when you are reading it for the second time, now you would have got an idea like which chapter is complicated or which topic is simple, which topic is complicated. So now during your second round of preparation, you have to, after each and every chapter, you have to mark what I have to study the day before the exam. So that is also very, very important. Last minute revision is equally important as preparation. So you have to concentrate on that. And last one would be mock exam. So we will give test series. So you have to write one mock exam. As this is a theory paper, even though you know the answers, time management is very, very important. In 3 hours, you have to complete the 100 marks paper. So that is why I would advise you to take at least one mock exam, so that you can avoid an extra attempt. So this is the process you can follow. Even as a student, even I used to follow. By using this book, revision is possible. So that is why CRLM approach, I would advise you to do it.
So students, anyone who think that JIGL is difficult, it is no more going to be difficult for you, because at Excel Academy, we have brought out the JIGL study material, which will help you even if you have not started to study. The moment you watch this video, and even if you have not started to study, you will be able to do well in the exam. And the best use of this book will be when you actually take our video classes along with the book. That way, not only you'll get the entire coaching, and with that you'll get the study material. So this combination is going to help you to do very well in JIGL. It is not difficult to get even 60 plus in JIGL with the help of the video classes and the study material. And we really want you to do well. That is why continuously we are coming out with new things at Excel Academy. And this is just one of the new things, and many more are there to come. So the last thing, Soumya, would you like to share any tips about JIGL in the end about how they should write the answer in the exam with the help of this book and our video classes?
Okay. When it comes to answering in the exam, you have to answer in points. So the same things, the same approach we have followed in the books. Instead of having long paragraphs for explaining one concept, we have cut it down into simple points. So the moment I say simple points, please don't get scared. Simple points in the sense we are keeping in mind the professional language which the ICSI expects from each and every student. So if you refer this book, and if you refer this book, we have used simple points only for explaining the concept. The same procedure, if you apply in your exam, I think that would be beneficial for you to get even 60 plus. Easily you can score 60 plus. That only thing I would suggest is you have to write the answers in points. Don't write lengthy paragraphs, because the examiner will not have time to read each and every thing, whatever you have included in the paragraph. So instead of that, if you cut down into short points, and if possible, please underline it with a pencil or a pen which you are using. So if you do that, it will be helpful for the examiner to see what are the important points you have covered, and he will give you good marks. So I would advise you to write the examination answers in points, and the same approach we have followed in our book also. So if you refer this book, it will be easier for you to write the exam, and you will get an idea as to how to write the answers also. As we are providing test series, so that will also help you to write the exam even more confidently.
So for students who are watching it, especially the ones who are writing in June 2021, of course, it applies even for December 2021. The video classes, the study material, along with the test series, if you follow what we are telling you, 100% you'll be able to score very well. So please don't wait anymore. Make sure that you get your soft copy of the book of JIGL study material. I'll tell you how you can get a soft copy of yours. I think now you have a clear idea that this JIGL book is very simple, very concise. It is having charts, it is having points, and the entire syllabus is covered. You have nothing to lose. And this book has been priced at a very, very competitive price. You can just go to the link in the description box. Make sure that you enroll for the book and do well in the June 2021 exam or December 2021 exam. And let me tell you again, all the amendments as required for exam have been included in the book. There is nothing for you to miss out. Don't miss this opportunity. Go to the description below, click on it, and get access to your copy of JIGL study material from Excel Academy. We really hope that this book will help you and you are able to score more than 60 marks in the JIGL paper. And one more thing, if you're already a student of Excel Academy, this book is going to come to you. You need not again make the payment. So with this, we're going to end this video. Make sure that you get your copy of JIGL book. All the best for your exams.